Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about solution of a problem given in GATE 2020 for ECE stream in signals and systems, and the topic of interest would be impulse response of a system. So question goes like this: the output of a discrete time LTA system is as given below. So where y of n is maximum of modulus of x of k, where k varies from minus infinity to n, and the question is we have to evaluate the impulse response of the system. So we have to choose one of the four choices. So the solution goes like this. So what is given for us? It is given that y of n is equal to max of modulus of x of k, and k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity. So if we expand that, we get max of x of minus infinity and so on up to x of modulus of x of n. So to find the impulse response of the system, we have to replace the input x of n with the delta of n. So and hence what is the impulse response of the overall system? That would be equal to maximum of delta of minus infinity and so on up to delta of n. But if you remember, the definition of delta of n is given as it is 1 for n equal to 0 and 0 for n not equal to 0, and hence if you substitute that, what do we see? We see that h of n would be equal to delta max of modulus of delta of minus infinity up to delta of n. So what happens if n is less than 0? When n is less than 0, so delta of n for n less than 0 is 0, and hence we get h of n to be 0 for n less than 0. When n is greater than or equal to 0, we know that the delta of n is 1 for n equal to 0, and hence we see that for all values of n greater than 1, maximum of all these samples would be equal to 1, and hence when n is greater than or equal to 0, we get h of n to be 1. So this is nothing but our unit step response, unit step signal u of n, and hence what is the summary? The output of the system is given by the impulse response of the system is given by h of n is equal to u of n, and hence we have to choose choice A as the right answer. Hope you have understood the solution.